All right, hello everybody, and as you saw by the first clips there, I am heading on my Sturgis motorcycle rally trip, the 2023 Sturgis motorcycle rally, and I rode all the way to the Badlands. That's where I am right now, and this year I'm not planning on doing any walks or anything here at the Badlands, and yeah, I'm not going to do any walks here at all, so no footage here. I'm just going to be going to Sturgis tomorrow morning, and then I'll get camp set up, and then I'll start my Sturgis videos. So, but of course, yeah, well, may as well, since we're here, may as well take a quick look at my camp. Okay, there's the Badlands here. Okay. All right, so that's it here for the Badlands. The next clip will be in Sturgis. Gonna head there next. But wait a minute, one more thing. I have to do this. I have to, tradition. So this is it right here. Buffalo burger. And let's see what it came to. 23. Summer 2023. It's the buffalo burger with cheese and fries. A souvenir cup came to $23.33. Okay, time to eat. Oh yeah, gotta take a look around here. Cafe, the Western Art Cafe. Okay, now it's time to eat. I'm hungry. And here I am. I'm in Sturgis. I got camp all set up and all set for the Sturgis motorcycle rally now. And this is the first video. I decided on my way out here, instead of having a lot of videos and stuff, from in the Badlands and stuff, I decided just to, I just did, the few clips, and just to get a few clips, just get us going, and then just get to Sturgis. And, this first video is going to be a little shorter, and I plan on tomorrow will be the first day of the Sturgis motorcycle rally, and I will be filming, and I'm just going to be playing it by ear. I'm in a video that posts for tomorrow, which will probably be Saturday. I'm hoping to get a video up every day, and of course it'll be the following day after I filmed. So anyways, so the next video hopefully should be Saturday morning. Yeah, if I'm lucky, Saturday morning or sometime on Saturday. Just depending on if I'm able to get it done. But whatever I film, it's not going to be every single video clip that I film. It's just, I'm going to just take and kind of like pick and choose some video clips for that video, for that day's video, and then I'll save the rest of the video clips for a later time when I have more of editing I have to do to make videos with my riding footage. I can't, I don't edit my riding footage while I'm on my trip. I can do that when I get home, and hopefully all that will work out. And then I'll integrate the riding footage in with, the video clips that will be in that video. That'll be posted probably this fall, or as soon as I can. It depends on if I'm able to get my editing, how well editing goes. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally videos. Sturgis 2023, I should say. Okay, so once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Oh, I should probably say that I think I might try YouTube Shorts. Might do some of that too. I'm not 100% sure. If I can get some okay clips, I might give YouTube Shorts a try, but I'm not sure. I'll just play that by ear, and we'll have to see about that.